呢個頻道咧主要介紹一啲審計嘅技巧同埋知識嘅。如果你有興趣的話咧，歡迎你訂閱我頻道啊。首先簡單介紹下我公司先啦。我公司咧就係 DJR 啦，主要咧係去幫一啲中小型嘅會計師樓咧去做一啲 SQM 嘅 policy review 同埋 annual evaluation 嘅。另外我都會幫你哋睇翻你哋嘅 root cause analysis 啦，咁會做 engagement inspection 啦，同埋code file review 嘅。另外我都會做 EQR 啦，同埋幫大家睇翻你哋嘅 audit practice 啦，同埋 methodology 咧有咩 improvement 嘅空間啦。為咗加強翻你哋嘅 audit practice 咧，咁我都會做 efficient 嘅 audit technique 嘅 training 啦。另外都會睇翻你哋嘅 root cause 嘅問題咧，去做翻一啲針對性嘅 training 嘅。今集咧我就會講 HKSQM 嘅，即係 Hong Kong Standard of Quality Management。咁佢成個 SQM 嘅目的咧，就係想大家喺你哋嘅 audit practice 入邊咧，去建立翻一個 proactive 啦、risk-based 嘅 approach 咧，去 assess 翻你哋嘅 practice 啦，去 ensure 翻你哋嘅 practice 咧係可以 provide 到一個 quality 嘅 audit 嘅 service 嘅。HKSQM 咧主要分為 firm level 同埋 engagement level 啦。firm level 咧就 under SQM 1嘅，一咧就希望 CPA firm 嘅 management 咧可以做翻一個 risk assessment 啦。咁佢咧就指出有6個方面咧 management 咧係要留意嘅。咁而 management 咧係根據翻自己個 firm size 啦、firm 嘅 engagement type 啦，去評估翻自己喺呢6方面嘅 objective 可以做到啲咩啦。同埋係 identify 自己 firm 去面對呢6方面嘅時候咧，會有啲咩 risk 啦，同最後咧係點樣去 tackle 翻呢啲 risk 咧，去作出一啲相對嘅 response 咯。跟住咧，我就會講 SQM 1入邊咧講咗邊6方面咧，大家要留意嘅地方啦。第一咧就係 governance and leadership 啦。咁 firm 咧就要去 provide 一個 quality audit 嘅時候咧，就要去 develop 翻一個 culture 啦，去管理翻成間公司啦，要有好清楚嘅 policy 啦，有 instruction 俾啲同事啦。第二點咧就係 ethical requirement 啦，咁我哋作為會計師咧就要 comply with 翻個 code of ethics 啦，咁我哋要 independence 啦，要保護客戶嘅資料啦，同埋我哋要去 update 我哋嘅 accounting 同埋 auditing 嘅 knowledge 啦。咁我哋 perform 我哋嘅 work 嘅時候咧，我哋要 due care 啦，我哋要 objective 啦，我哋要去展示翻我哋嘅 professional behaviour 啦。咁公司咧就需要去將呢啲 requirement 咧去擺翻落個 policy 度，俾翻員工去遵守嘅。第三點咧就係 acceptance and continuance 啦。咁喺呢方面咧，我哋就要留意 engagement risk 啦、client integrity 啦。咁我哋根據翻我哋嘅 firm 嗰個 capacity 啦、個 size 啦、個 engagement 嘅 type 啦，去定翻一啲 acceptance and continuance 嘅 policy 啦，咁去 meet 翻一啲 law and regulations 啦。第四點咧就係 engagement performance 啦，咁我哋做 job 嘅時候咧，要 make sure 我哋有一個清晰嘅 direction 啦，有足夠嘅 supervision 咧俾同事嘅。咁如果面對一啲 key risk 或者一啲 key 嘅 audit methods 嘅時候咧，我哋要 exercise 我哋嘅 professional judgment 咧，我哋要抱住一個 professional skepticism 嘅態度咧去處理個問題嘅。咁如果個問題個複雜性係大的話咧，我哋可能要考慮做一個 consultation。可能喺 internal 揾另外一個 audit partner 去攞一個 second opinion 啦，或者係揾 external party 咧去 provide 一個 second opinion 嘅。另外咧，我哋要 make sure 我哋嘅 audit work 咧係要跟翻 auditing standard 咧去做翻一個 documentation 啦。我哋成個 audit 咧要 comply 翻 with accounting 啦、auditing 同埋一啲 legal 嘅 requirement 啦。第5點咧就係 resources 啦，可以分為 internal 同埋 external 啦。internal 咧就分為 human technology 同 intellectual 嘅。咁主要咧就係講緊 staff 嘅 resources 啦。我哋有冇啲 experience 嘅 staff 啦？如果冇的話咧，我哋要 provide 呢啲 staff 嘅 training 啦，make sure 我哋嘅 audit 咧係做到啦。咁另外就係我哋考慮翻公司入邊嘅 IT 一啲基本建設啦，我哋去譬如有啲防火牆啊，或者我哋嘅 storage 嘅 policy 係點樣啦。咁另外就係而家咧坊間有好多 AI 嘅 tools 咧幫大家做 audit 嘅。咁係當我哋要用呢啲 AI 嘅時候咧，咁我哋應該點樣去 set 翻一啲 IT 嘅 policy 咧，去 protect 翻自己嘅 data 啦。第三咧就係 intellectual 啦。咁而家好多 FRS 同埋 accounting knowledge auditing standard 都喺度不斷改變中啦。咁我哋要 make sure 我哋係要 up to 呢啲 standard revise 嘅 version 啦。咁我哋要 provide 翻一啲 training 俾同事啦。External 方面咧就係講緊 service provider 同埋 consultant 啦。如果公司咧係用佢哋的話咧，就要 make sure 佢哋都要 comply with 公司嘅 policy 啦。咁另外就係 network 啦，有啲公司咧就 join 咗 network 做 network firm 嘅，咁佢哋都會provide 一啲 SQM 嘅 policy 啦。咁香港嗰間公司咧就 make sure 翻香港嘅 SQM 咧都係 comply with 咯。第六點咧就係 information and communication 啦，咁主要都係分為 internal 同埋 external 啦。internal 咧主要係圍內我哋自己公司嘅員工啦。external 咧就係 service provider 啦、consultant 啦、component auditor 啦。咁我哋要 make sure 我哋嘅 information 係 relevant 同埋 reliable 噶啦。咁我同埋我哋要 make sure 我哋嘅 SQM policy 咧係 proper 咁樣係去同同事講清楚啦。CPA firm 咧就要根據呢6點咧去做一個 risk assessment 啦，咁要定翻佢哋想做嘅 objective 啦，做嘅時候佢哋會面對一啲咩 risk 啦，同埋佢哋點樣去 tackle 呢啲 risk 啦，去做翻一啲 responses 嘅。今集咧我就用咗一個簡易版咧同大家講咗 HKSQM1 嘅內容啦，咁下一集咧我就會講埋第2部分嘅。